Hey there, it's Kevin, and we're going to do an unboxing of this Pure Oxygen Air Purifier, the P500i model. Alright, so here it is. We'll take it out of the plastic and get it set up. So we see on top here that we have our directions for the Pure Oxygen P500. So we'll take off the plastic. So there's just a couple things to get it set up. We have the notice here to take out the poly bag for the filters before using it. So we're going to turn it around and take this off. We're going to take this out and take the filter out of the poly bag. So we'll place this in with the blue side facing outwards. And that is the front of it, so we need to make sure that it's facing towards us. We'll close this back up, and then we can plug it in and get it started. So we just plugged it in, and now we have to press the power button on the Purifier's control panel. Now we're going to see this 30-second countdown, after which the LED light indicator and altering digits standing for the air pollution index will appear on the control panel. So now that we see it is working, we are in the green section, which is the good section of the air quality. It's a 28 AQI at the moment, and that's how you set up this air purifier. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.